So quadratic equation basically represent the equation uh, which content with some s square value. Okay, so now we will discuss about the now we will understand about the nature of quadratic equation and how to represent a quadratic equation uh, with this video. So now we will discuss about the now we are discussing about the quadratic equations, and also we represent the quadratic equation in given form. Already we discussed about the a standard format of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the general form of quadratic equation, and here a never be zero equal to 0. So here A, B, and C, these are the constants. B and 0 can be 0. B and C can be 0, but here A never be 0. So now if A is equal to 0, so automatically equation will be Bx plus C, and that is the form of linear function. And you can say linear equation. So this is the basic characteristic is that we can't zero which those constants uh, with those are with x square. So now here one by one we are putting 0 with other variables, like in second equation that is the c is equal to 0, and third equation that is the b is equal to 0, and in last equation there is the b and c both is 0, both are 0. So this is the standard format of quadratic equation. Now we will discuss about the graphical representation of line of quadratic equation, that is always a curvature. So always a curvature line represent the quadratic equation, the format of quadratic equation. So this is the curvature line, and this is the basically the uh, this curvature we represent with given equation, that is the quadratic equation. Okay, so a curvature line can be moved from one place to one quarter to second another quarter. So this is the basic format, basic nature of quadratic equation, line of quadratic equation, that is the curvature line. If age is age less than 0, that will be inverted U shape, and if age greater than 0, that will be the U shape curvature line. And also the curvature, nature of curvature, the band of curvature, it depend on the value of a. So here we discuss about the quadratic equation, and linear equation, quadratic equation, both are the very important equation, and maximum economic theory is actually based on these equations if we represent that theories in form of equation. So here straight line or curvature line, both are the important part of economic variables. If you talk about the demand curve, supply curve, if you talk about the cost curve, if you talk about the any type of production curve, so all type of total values, marginal values, average values, if you represent these values in axis, so definitely they will be carry some characteristics, and for solving the equation of that characteristics, it is very important to uh, uh, to understand the nature of curvature or nature of line to find out the value of unknown economic variables. So in economics, variables are actually economic variables. They really correlated to each other, and it is very important to find out the value of that economic variables with the help of equation lines, with the help of equations, with the help of graphical representation of economic variables. So these are the actually basic uh, basic concept of mathematical economics, and in economics, basically in microeconomics, it is very important to understand the nature of curve. If we are not able to understand the nature of curve or movement of curve, so it is very difficult to understand the economic measurements. So here, this is the lecture on. This was the lecture on linear and quadratic equation. So in next video, we will discuss about some another topic of mathematical economics. So thank you very much.